There are two main types of stud finders. One style finds the edge of the stud or joist, the other style shows the entire stud. With an edge finder, press it against the wall, press in the power button and hold it for a few seconds to measure the wall density. When you're over the edge of the stud, it will make a sound or a light will indicate an edge. Mark this location, move past the stud, then come back to the stud from the other direction to find the other edge. Mark this edge. The center of the stud or joist is in between the marks. If you start over a stud, the stud finder will show an error code when you move it because the rest of the wall is less dense than where you started, or you will get no reading. Recalibrate a few inches away and try again. For a stud finder that shows the whole stud, it doesn't need calibration. Just place it on the wall or ceiling, press the power button and move the stud finder. Multiple sensors will show the stud location.